Learn how to compare two nurture approaches by randomly splitting contacts between separate workflow paths. The A/B test action randomly divides contacts between two workflow paths. Drag it onto the canvas and open it to configure the split. Choose how contacts should be distributed between path A and path B. I'll keep an even 50% split, so both paths receive approximately the same number of contacts. In path A, I'll add a send email action with a direct invitation to book a consultation. I'll update the subject line to clearly introduce the consultation offer. In the message, I'll add a button inviting contacts to book a consultation. Then, I'll add the calendar link they should be taken to when they click it. In path B, I'll add another send email action. This time, the contact will receive an educational follow-up instead of an immediate consultation invitation. I'll change the subject line to introduce a helpful resource related to the participant's results. In the message, I'll also add a button to give contacts a clear next step. I'll change the button text to "Read the lead generation guide," so the purpose of the link is clear. Finally, I'll add the link to the lead generation guide and save the email action. The workflow now has two different nurture paths. Contacts are randomly assigned to either the consultation email or the resource-focused email. You can then compare metrics such as open and click rates from both paths to see which approach generates better engagement.